You have started getting a lot of inquiries or leads for the products you sell, but to manage the same is becoming too challenging for you. Don't worry, I'm here to help you exactly with that. Hello, I'm Shrey, and this is Getting Started with Salesforce. In today's video or in today's demo, I'll guide you step by step on how to create an opportunity or a deal in Salesforce. Add products to it with the right pricing, and finally generate a quote that you can send directly to your customer's email attached with a PDF. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of how opportunities, products, and quotes work together in Salesforce. Without wasting any further time, let's get started. First, let's create an opportunity. To do so, we'll have to click on the tab and hit New. Here, we'll give the opportunity name as Cozy Home Supply 1. We'll select the account Cozy Home Furnishing, set the close date to next month, and the stage as qualification. For now, we'll keep the amount field as it is. Once the opportunity is created for an account, the next step is to add products. Now, before adding products, Salesforce will ask you to select a price book. A quick note here. Price books in Salesforce are basically the catalogs that define which products and what prices are available to your sales team or to you. For this demo, we'll select the standard price book. After that, you can go ahead and add products. Let's add 2 products: premium office chair and wooden study table. Click next and then specify the quantity for each. The prices that you see over here are coming directly from the standard price book. But if you're offering any discount for this particular account, you can change the prices here as well. Once you save, the products are added to the opportunity. Now, if we go back and check the amount field on the opportunity, it's automatically populated based on the products and quantities we just added. Next, let's move the opportunity stage forward. Suppose the opportunity has now progressed to proposal or price quote. We'll first update the stage name, and then directly from the opportunity itself, you can create a quote. If you don't see the quote option in your org, that means quote settings are not enabled. To enable it, go to Setup, search for quote settings, and enable it there. In my org, it's already enabled. That's why I see an option to disable it. Now, back in the opportunity, let's create a new quote. We'll give the quote name as Cozy Home Supply 1, Quote 1. You'll notice that the opportunity field is already auto-populated. Let's add the contact Rajesh Kapoor, set the expiry date, and select the status. That's it. The quote is created. But it doesn't stop here. If you want to create a PDF of this quote and send it to your customer, Salesforce makes it really simple. Just go to the quote and click on Create PDF. Salesforce will generate a professional PDF version of the quote for you. Now, you can also send this quote directly via email. When you click on Email Quote, Salesforce will automatically populate your contact's email address, in this case, Rajesh Kapoor's email address, and attach the generated PDF to it. And that's how easy it is to create opportunities, add products, and generate professional quotes in Salesforce. Stay tuned for more such Getting Started with Salesforce videos. Liked what you saw? Well, there's a lot more, and I can send you a curated playlist of trending topics, Salesforce updates, and training essentials. Join our newsletter and get your weekly package of exclusive Salesforce content straight to your inbox. The link is in the description. Don't miss out.